One day in the neighborhood, Dipsy was going for a walk.
Huh? Oh?
Dipsy then stopped and looked around.
Who's there?
Wait, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Who are you?
Why, I am the narrator. You know, the one who tells the story.
What story? All I'm doing is just walking.
Dipsy said while looking up at the sky.
I'm looking up at the sky because I don't know where you are. Wait, are you invisible?
What? No, I'm not invisible. I'm a narrator.
But what is a narrator?
I told you, I'm the one who tells the story.
But what story? All I'm doing is just going for a walk.
Yes, but don't you know when you are going for a walk you are going on an adventure? Like the next thing you'll know, you will be on a pirate ship, or you could be going to outer space on a rocket ship. We won't know until we continue with the story.
Oh, so I could just keep on walking then?
Well, if you want the story to continue, then yes.
All right then.
So Dipsy continues to go on his walk.
Oh, now you're just gonna narrate everything I do?
Well, yes, because I'm the narrator. Dipsy hasn't gotten very far when he saw Laa-Laa playing with her ball.
Oh, good. There's Laa-Laa. Maybe she can help with this whole narration thing. Uh-oh, Laa-Laa.
Oh, Dipsy.
Say, Laa-Laa, have you been hearing this mysterious voice today?
What mysterious voice?
Look, there is this mysterious voice that is narrating some sort of story. It's like we're in a story or something. I don't know what it is, but can you please tell the person who's voicing this story? Can you tell him to go away?
Yeah, sure, but where is he?
Well, that's the problem. He's everywhere. I mean, he could be up in the sky, he could be right next to me. I don't know if he's a ghost or if he's invisible or something, but can you please tell him to go away?
But how will I know where he's at?
I don't know.
Dipsy said.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, what?
That voice. It said, Dipsy said.
I don't know what you're talking about, Dipsy.
But don't tell me like I'm being silly and all. I heard that. I really heard that.
Dipsy, I think you need to take a nap.
What? No. There really is somebody here right now. He could be anywhere, and he's narrating this story that we're in.
Dipsy, it feels like that you need to take a nap or something because I don't think you're feeling all right. And I've got to go, so bye-bye, Dipsy.
Wait, Laa-Laa, and I hope you feel better. Laa-Laa, wait. Oh, look what you've done, Mr. Voice. Now Laa-Laa thinks I'm silly and all because I'm just looking up at the sky.
Well, you do look silly when you look up at the sky.
Well, that's because I don't know where you are.
I told you, I'm not anywhere. I'm just here narrating the story.
Oh, bibbly cheese.
Dipsy said in frustration.
Stop it!
Dipsy went back to his walk and hasn't gone very far when he saw Tinky Winky.
Oh, Tinky Winky. Maybe he can help. Uh-oh, Tinky Winky.
Oh, Dipsy.
Look, Tinky Winky, have you been hearing this mysterious voice that's been going on around here? Have you been hearing a voice?
Pardon?
Look, Tinky Winky, I know you're gonna think I'm sounding silly and all, but apparently we are in this story and there is this narrator guy who's voicing this story and he's around here. I can't see him, but I can hear him. Please, you gotta hear him too, right?
Dipsy said while panicking.
There! Did you hear that?
What?
Tinky Winky looked at his friend in confusion.
There, right there. Did you hear him say that?
Say what?
He said that you're looking at me in confusion.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Dipsy. The only thing that I hear is just you and me.
No, there's a narrator voice guy who's telling the story that we are in.
Dipsy
Oh,
started to spaz out of control.
just be quiet.
Dipsy, you're starting to scare me.
But Tinky Winky, there's a voice, a mysterious voice, and he's telling this story right now.
Dipsy, I have no idea what you're talking about, and I think I've got to go now.
What, Tinky Winky? Wait!
Tinky Winky ran away from Dipsy.
Yeah, because of you! Now Tinky Winky thinks that I'm crazy. Are you happy for yourself?
I'd be more happy if we continued on with the story.
So I'm supposed to walk now, huh?
Well, if you don't mind.
Fine.
Dipsy hasn't gotten very far when he saw Po riding on her scooter.
Find it.
Hopefully Po will be able to hear this mysterious voice. Uh-oh, Po.
Dipsy.
Po, look, this is serious. There is this mysterious voice who is called the Narrator, and he's narrating everything that I do and say. Please tell me you hear him.
Pardon?
No pardons. You have to hear him. You must hear him. You gotta believe me, Po.
Dipsy said while freaking out.
There! Did you hear that, Po?
Hear what?
Po, that was the narrator. He's telling the story right now. I don't understand how you cannot hear him. Is this a dream? Is this my conscious? Am I dreaming or something?
Dipsy said while screaming.
Will you stop that?
This is scary. I'm out of here.
Po, wait, no!
Po ran away on her scooter. And Dipsy looked up at the sky in a fit of rage.
Why do you think I'm in a fit of rage? Because of you, now all my friends think that I'm being silly.
Well, maybe you shouldn't be breaking the fourth wall.
What is a fourth wall? You know what? Since you love to narrate so much, I'm just not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna move or do anything. I'm just gonna sit in this spot and not do anything or say anything. Huh?
Dipsy said while standing in place.
Stop it!
Dipsy stood, and stood, and stood. He was starting to lose his balance. He couldn't stay still for long, and his legs were feeling very tired.
Are you seriously narrating me about me standing?
Well, I have to narrate about something.
I can't take it anymore! I just want you to go away! Run away!
Dipsy ran, and ran, and ran, all the way to the house.
Maybe I'm safe inside. Yeah, you'll never find me in here.
Dipsy said.
Oh! How did you find me?
I told you, I'm the narrator. No matter where you are, I can still narrate this story.
Okay. What can make you go away? How can this story end that I'm in? What can make you leave?
Well, maybe do something.
Oh, well, I can, I can have some Tubby custard. Yeah, if I can have some Tubby custard, the story ends. How does that sound?
We'll see from that.
Yeah, I could just go to the Tubby custard machine and get some Tubby custard. Yeah.
So Dipsy went to the Tubby custard machine to get some Tubby custard.
I'm making my Tubby custard. Alright, I got my Tubby custard. Now I'm about to go to the table. Yep, just go onto the table. I'm about to sit down. And then here comes the most important part. I'm going to drink my Tubby custard. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. That was so yummy. All right, can the story end now?
Well, are you happy with this story?
Yes. I'm happy with my story. I went out for a walk. I went back to the house. I had some Tubby custard. I drank all the Tubby custard. It was delicious. And I lived happily ever after. So, that's the end of the story, right? Right?
So Dipsy had a nice walk and had some delicious Tubby custard, and he lived happily ever after. The end.
Good. So, is the story over now? Uh-oh? Mr. Voice, Mr. Narrator guy, are you there? Hello? He's gone. Yes! He's gone! Victory dance! Ba-ba-tum, 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 no more narrator, no more narrator, no more narrator, no more narrator.
Dipsy said while he was dancing for joy.
What? No! I thought the story was over!
I'm just messing with you. See ya.
Oh, well, I guess the narrator was just teasing with me. Well, everything is back to normal.
The end.
What are those words doing up there? Well, everything is almost back to normal. Uh-oh! How long are those words going to be up there for?